Chinese zodiac may say that 2014 is the year of the horse, but for National University, it should be known as the year of the Bulldogs. After winning titles left and right in the first half of season 77, all eyes are set on the women's volleyball team to complete a sweep of the UAAP centerpiece events. According to Lady Bulldogs head coach Dong De La Cruz, he himself hopes that the trend continues for them to finally take home the title they have not won in almost 60 years.
Hindi naman namin kasi pwedeng gawing basis yun para kami mag-champion doon. Pero kasi kung yung trend ang pag-uusapan, kasi last year parang parehas kami ng basketball yung yung nangyari. Twice defeat din sila, natalo rin, twice beaten din sila. Ganun din nangyari sa amin. So hopefully, yung nangyari sa basketball, mangyari rin sa amin.
Though losing last year's 1-2 punch in Dindin Santiago and Nina Aganon was a big blow, De La Cruz said that they have no other choice but to move forward and develop players who can be as deadly as the duo.
Siyempre, namimiss namin yung dalawa. Alam niyo naman na yung naglalaro si Dindin dito sa Enyo, siya yung nagtaas ng ng laro ng Enyo. Yung quality ng laro sa Enyo siya nagtaas. Pero iniisip ko rin naman kasi, sa UAAP, ang mga players, come and go lang yan. They have only 5 years para maglaro sa team. So yung pagkawalaan nila, gaya na sinabi mo kanina, si Dindin is good for 20 to 25 points per game. Yun ang nawala sa amin. Ganon din si Nina, pwede rin siya mag-contribute ng 10 points up to 20 points per game. Pero ang pina-workout namin ngayon is for the team to work as a team. No? Kasi pag titignan nyo, individually siguro mas mahina yung team ngayon compare last year. Pero yun nga, ang pina-workout namin ngayon is to work as a team para lahat ng players mag-contribute para mapunan namin yung kawalan ni Dindin at ni Nina.
For NU team captain Desiree Dadang, her rise from being a bench player to filling in the big shoes left by Santiago is a challenge she gamely accepted.
Siyempre, as a team captain, hindi talaga madali yung trabaho. Pero para sa akin, nung nalaman ko na ako yung magiging captain sa team, feeling ko na-overwhelmed ako kasi hindi ko inakala na ako yung magiging captain for the team. So, my responsibilities as a team captain is marami talaga, lalo na yung pagbubuo ng isang team, kung paano ko sila dadalhin bawat isa, paano pag nawala yung isa sa loob ng court, paano ko sila ililift up.
Expected to carry the load for the Lady Bulldogs offense this season, Jaja Santiago shared she chooses to disregard the pressure and instead just focus on the task at hand.
First, syempre, pressure ako, pero syempre, kung dadalhin ko yung pressure ko sa game, mas hindi ko mabibigay yung best ko, diba? So, ang ginagawa ko lang talaga, yung pressure, iniwan ko sa coaches namin or hindi ko siya iniisip. Maglalaro lang ako kung focus lang ako sa game.
And with only a few days left before the competition kicks off, De La Cruz humbly said that the Lady Bulldogs would take it one game at a time and aim for the semifinals first before anything else. Asked who he thinks is this year's team to beat, De La Cruz said there is no clear frontrunner as the race to the finish has never been this tight in the past.
Lahat. Basta ang lang namin ngayon is, ang pinaka-main goal namin yan is to beat the top 4. No? From top 4, iba na kasi ang doon, iba na yung labanan sa top 4. May silatan na doon, gaya na nangyari sa amin last year, diba? So, hopefully, mag-land kami sa top 4, then tignan natin kung ano mangyayari doon. And yung sinasabi mo kung sinong team to beat, siyempre, same pa rin, yung mga suspect na mga, like Lasal, FPU, USP, yan din yung, I think, UP, Adam.
And now that all the preparations for a long-drawn tournament has been crossed out of their list of things to do to win the championship, rivals ask De La Cruz, Dadang, and Santiago if the Lady Bulldogs are hungry enough to go all the way this time.
Siyempre gutom na gutom kasi kaya namin kaya namin na mag-champion basta nga maglalaro lang kami as a team.
alam naman natin na hindi yun ganun kabilis. But we are working for it and gusto namin kunin namin yun step by step.
Palaban to, no? As long as we will play as a team, we will work as a team. Lalaban yung team namin.
Mac Junicio for Rivals.ph